Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number and the IMEI number on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, and here you can scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, find the option called About Watch and tap on it. Now we can scroll down, and right below the model number you will see the serial number, and below the serial number you will see the IMEI number. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number and the IMEI number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.